This is a Pokemon ETB of Paldean Fates. But what's crazy is the price I paid for this. I only paid £27.53. But there's one catch. I bought this from TikTok shops. But the real question today, guys, is we're going to open this one up and see whether or not it is a scam to buy Pokemon from TikTok shops. So we're going to get straight into this one. I've not opened a Paldean Fates ETB before, so it'll be my first one. I'm excited to do it because, of course, I get the Mimikyu cards and all the goodies inside. The weather today is so hot, so if I sweat, I'm sorry. But yeah, so if we take the sleeves off, of course, I'll show as much as I can on the screen. You get your little information booklet with all of the cards in it and everything. Where is it? Where is it? I'll find it eventually. There it is. That's what we want today, boys. The Charizard EX. And then inside of this... Oh, I'm dropping stuff. Inside of this, we have, of course... Oh, okay. Been a little bit squished. So there is our first questionable sign. It's not coming like it normally does. I guess it might just have done that in shipping. But it looked like it had moved around a little bit from the shipping. But yeah, we'll take all this stuff out. And inside, of course, we get 10 packets. Is it 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8... 8 packets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 packets. 9 packets. 9 packets of the Paldean Fates Pokemon cards. We'll put that to the side. Then we do get our code card. If you guys want this, I'll be nice for you. There it is. Treat yourself on me. Merry Christmas. And then the Mimikyu promo card. That is looking beautiful as ever. There's the GoPro camera for you. So we'll put those two to the side. And then, of course, we have got the Mimikyu sleeves. So, yes, this set is amazing, guys. I opened up the Charizard tin the other day. Really enjoyed it. So I just wanted to open more for you all. These are nice. Look at the shiny reflection on this. Yes, this is an experience. I've not opened one of these before. But either way, we want to see if we can get scammed. No, we don't want to see if we can get scammed. We want to see if we don't get scammed. That's the plan. But yeah, so £27.53 this cost me on TikTok shop. Is this the way for the future, boys? Is this the way? Right, we'll put the stack of cards there, and we're going to get straight into this. Packet number 1. What have you guys pulled so far from the Paldean Fates booster packs? Let me know. We're going to start it off with a Wooper, a Paldean Wooper. I love getting that shiny on Pokemon Go. And then we're going to keep going through this one. We're not going to slow down today. We're going to keep going through it all. Plenty of cards. This one, Chimiko, into our first Maschiff reverse. And then just a Houndstone holo. So nothing in the first one, guys. Code card. So far it's not looking great. Second packet then. We're going to get into this one. See what we can get. I've had a massive delivery today as well. I had my 151 box arrive. I had my Shiny Treasures box arrive. I've had ETBs arrived. I've had loads of stuff arrived, so I'm pretty stoked. We've got so much coming to the channel, which is a good time to remind you as we get the Gengar as well, one of my favourite Pokemon. If you're not already, make sure you subscribe. It's the second channel. It's new around here, and we're getting off strong with it. And we're going to pull a big card here just to prove it. Oh, it's Lechonk. But behind Lechonk, Oh, okay, so second packet down. We are still 0 for 2. So maybe third packet. We're going to get blessed. We're going to get blessed. Blessed. Third packet. We've got a Varoom, a Mankey, a Magmar, a Nemoa. Is it Nemoa? Nemona? I'm going to say Nemona. Kilowattrel, a Nestball, Lantern, followed up by a Cleffa Shiny. I just spat somewhere. But the Cleffa Baby Shiny, that was beautiful. I've got that one on Pokemon Go as well, so I'm happy. We're going to get a double banger in this one. Ending it off with the Professor's Research. I don't have any sleeves on there. Where are my sleeves? I've got sleeves. Guys, I've got sleeves for the video. There we go. We're improving. Cleffa Shiny. First pull of the day. Right, next packet. Pikachu. Can we get anything good in this one? Can we top the Cleffa? If I can actually get into the packet, that would be quite handy. Okay, the Charmander. That is a good start. Come on, bless me. Bless me, Charmander. The Rare Candy. Frigibax? Pineco. The Backpack. The Primeape. Followed up by... No Baby Shiny this time. But we do get the Wug Trio, the Trainer Gallery. That's the Trainer Gallery one, isn't it? I'm sure it's the Trainer Gallery. Show that one off to the GoPro for you. Beautiful card. And then we get also the Heat Rotom. So yeah, nothing in that one. We shall sleeve that one up. Into the sleeve it goes. Beautiful looking card there. So maybe we have got lucky. £27.53. I repeat, I'll show a photo on the screen now of what it looks like when it arrived, okay? It came in a TikTok box and everything. So this is the future, boys. TikTok shop. If you trust your people, you can get the right stuff. Charmander. Come on, bless me, Charmander. Rare Candy. Here we go, boys. Barboach. Come on, let me know what you are pulling from these Paldean Fates ETBs if you're getting anything good inside. I would love it, I know. But we're not going to get one. The Haunter Reverse. And then just a rare holo as our hit in that one. Right, next packet. What can we get? A Numble. Again, a lovely shiny on Pokemon Go. I need to buy some Pokemon Go stuff. Maybe that's what I'll get as well. Right, Lantern into Clive. Clive brings a Whimsicott and a Primeape, followed up Buy and execute. I don't even know where I'm putting these cards now. Oh, and a Fortress EX. The Terraform card. How beautiful is that one, guys? Not bad, right? Not bad. We will sleeve this one up. Next packet, boys. What are we going to get inside of this one? Right, here we go then. Let's open this one up. Let me know, guys. What do you think I should be buying as well? Because of I want some advice. I want you to help me get through all of this. What should we be buying? Because I really like Japanese stuff, but I know the Twilight Masquerade stuff is probably out now when this video uploads. So maybe we should be getting some of that as well. So let me know. Oh, the Slowpoke Baby Shiny. That is a fire card. Look at that, beautiful. Can we get a double banger? No, just a Lantern. And then I wouldn't even have a clue how to say that one, so I'm going to skip on it. Beautiful looking card, that Slowpoke. We're going to save this Pikachu packet till last, because I think this one's got a banger inside. So, sorry Pikachu, but you're going to have to wait. You're going to have to wait your turn. Right, second to last packet, boys. It looks like we're going pretty well so far. It looks like maybe we haven't been scammed. I'd say this is a pretty... You know what? I'm 100% going to say that this box is perfectly fine. Right, Charmeleon, can you bless me? Can you bless me with your superior in this packet? Right, what are we going to get, boys? Nothing so far, and we don't get anything in that one. Final packet. This is why I saved it till last. The Pikachu till last. Last pack magic. Here we go, then. We'll give it a kiss for good luck. Mwah. I don't know what I'm doing. Right, here we go, then. The Lapras into the Mime Jr., the Maschief, the Barboach, the Scrafty, the Electric Generator, into a Swoobat, followed up by... Looks like it's going to be nothing. We're going to get nothing in the last pack. Oh, we get the Great Tusk Terraform EX. There we go, boys. We did get a pull in the last packet. Look how beautiful these cards are, guys. The quality is insane. Into the sleeve he goes. Right, let's collect all of our pulls. We managed in, what, 9 packets was it? I'm sure it was 9 packets. We managed to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits, boys. 2 baby shinies. 3 other hits, 2 EXs, and of course the Wug Trio. So, I'm happy with that one. I would say that this experiment is a success. Let's celebrate! Woo! But no, boys, if you did enjoy today's video, do drop a like, do drop a sub. Let me know down below what's your best pull so far from Paldean Fates. Have you hit the Charizard? Have you hit the Mew? But yes, guys, let me know down below. I will see you all later. Have a great day, everyone. Bye, guys.